Let's create a fun going out smoky eye together. Starting off, I am exfoliating the skin, and to do this I'm using my Revolution 2.5 glycolic exfoliator and just rubbing this all over the skin. I'm then taking my Grace and Stella Rose spray and I'm just spraying this all over the skin, and this is going to add a little bit of hydration back in there. I'm then going in with my The Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid serum, putting this all over the skin, on the face, on the neck, and this is going to add extra hydration as I need it when it's cold. Then taking my number 7 eye cream, and I'm going to slather this all under my eyes as I love my eyes to be very, very hydrated, and rubbing this in. Finally, going in with my Charles Lee Moisturiser, I'm taking a small amount to make sure that my base is tacky and not slippy. So here is the skin before makeup. It's got a tacky feeling, which is going to really help to make the makeup stick to my face. Now moving on to the brows, I am using my Urban Decay Slick Day Brow Gel, and I'm just brushing the product upwards through my brow hairs. I'm then flipping the brush over and using the other side just to add extra product to keep it all in place. Doing the same on the other side as well, so brushing through and then pushing them down to make sure they're really stuck. Then going in with my Maybelline Tattoo Brow Gel, and I'm just adding a little bit of this through the brows. I'm using a very small angled brush just to fill in any sparse areas, and adding a little bit through the front section, and when I'm done I'm just going back in with my brow gel just to set all that colour in place as well. Priming the eyes with my P.Louise cosmetic base in Rumour 02, and I'm just taking this on a flat brush. I'm carving out the brows, and then I'm also popping all this product on the lid, and this is just going to set all my shadow in place. To start the eyeshadow, I'm going in with my Kiko Lasting Mousse eyeshadow in 08. I'm taking my finger and I'm just dabbing this all over the lid. I'm then taking my Too Faced Better Than Chocolate palette, and I'm taking the shade Bitter Half on a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to blend this through the crease to add shape. Now going in with these 3 deepest shades from Morphe, and I'm starting with the lighter of the brown shades, adding this on a little brush and then blending that in with a fluffy brush just like I did before. Doing the same with the deeper shade there. This is like a darker brown from the last one I used, and again packing that on and blending that in. Now with that deeper shade, again packing that on and blending that in. Same old, same old. I'm going back in with that Kiko shade. I'm just blending that on my lid as it blended a little bit away, so I'm just packing that all on again. Then brightening my inner corner with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil. I'm just adding this on, and then I'm going to blend this in with my fingers. I'm then going to make this a little bit brighter by taking a highlighter shade from that Morphe palette, and the same again, just packing that on the inner corner. Then just taking this amazing glitter eyeshadow from Kiko. This is shade number 7, and I'm going to pack that all over my lid again. Time to create some definition, so I'm going in with my Rimmel black eyeliner pencil, taking this all along the eye and then going along into the inner corner. I then wanted to soften and deepen this slightly, so I'm taking a black eyeshadow shade, going along where I've put the eyeliner pencil and just blending that in. On top I'm adding the Eyeliner Cashmere Lashes, and these are in the style 3. For my base I'm taking the Illamasqua Beyond Foundation, and this is in the shade LR2. I'm blending this all over with this really nice angled brush. I'm making sure to go over any blemishes, and I'm keeping it quite light on my head as I've got a fringe, so it's going to cover it anyway. For concealer, I'm using the number 7 Kohl Vanilla Stick Concealer, and then just going over again any blemishes as that extra bit of coverage. For bronzer, I'm taking my absolute beloved. This is the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. I don't know if I said that right, but I absolutely love this. It's very, very good for pale skin. It blends really nicely. So I'm using this just along my cheekbones, blending that all in, and I also use it along the nose. And then for my concealer, again, one of my favourite products, I am taking the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer. This is in the shade Light, and I'm just going to pop this all on. You don't need a lot of this at all. It is very, very bright, very full coverage, and it's very good for covering dark circles, so I really love this. I initially blend it in with my fingers, then a brush, and then I blend it in with my bronzer as well. To set that all in place, I'm going in with my Morphe Brightening Pink Loose Powder. I pop this basically all over my face, and I use one of the triangle sponges from Brushworks. So I'm going to use this under my eye. I always use it on my head as well. I put it down my nose, I put it on my chin. I'm very, very oily skin, so I literally put this everywhere. Now adding my Wet n Wild blusher. This is in the shade Naked Brown. I love this shade. It's just such a nice neutral colour. Adding this on the top of my cheekbones and blending that in again with my bronzer. Adding some shadow under the eye. This is just that darker brown shade that I used on the crease. Adding some liner, and rather than black, I used a gold shade from Morphe, and this is editorial, and it just gave a little bit of difference rather than a black shade. I'm taking my Clinique mascara and popping this on my bottom lashes, and I also put some on the top just to blend my lashes with my natural lashes. For lips, I'm taking my Rimmel lip liner. This is in the shade Cappuccino, and I am slightly overlining my lips. I'm going all around the outside, so I've done the bottom lip, and now I'm just going over the top lip and just adding a few layers to really make that colour intense. Now taking my Rumour lipstick, this is in the shade Kathleen, it's like a matte nude colour. I'm going all around where I've lined my lips, going on the inside, and then just to blend that a bit better, I'm going back in with my lip liner. To blend it a little bit more, I'm taking my Huda lipstick, this is in Day Slayer, and again, I'm just going over the top of where I've been with my lipstick. I'm setting that all in place with the NYX Matte Setting Spray and then doing my hair off camera. And then here is the final result. You've got that nice, smoky yet sparkly nude glam, perfect for going out, perfect for day to day if you like something a little bit more intense and fun. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.